How to put on ASUS Screen Protector. Unpack the tools. Open the package box of ASUS Screen Protector. You will find the following items included: installation frame, wet cleaning wipe, microfiber towel, dust removal sticker, scraper, screen protector, and prepare your ASUS phone. Installation steps. Gently wipe off the screen with the wet cleaning wipe. Make the screen completely dry with the microfiber towel. Clean the screen with the dust absorber sticker. It can prevent other particles from coming in or attach on screen. Align the short top side of the installation frame as the arrow remark, and place it under your phone. Peel off the protective film along to the quarter of its length. Align the protective film to the top edge of the frame. Push forward and apply the protector with the scraper. Now you can remove the installation frame. Apply the pressure toward the edge with the scraper to push out the bubble. Peel off the release paper. Now your screen is well protected with the screen protector sealed. Welcome to subscribe our ASUS support channel. We're happy to provide you with more useful information.